Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's April here and I'm so glad to see you again. Today we're going to be talking about 5 amazing jobs that are high paying that you can do anywhere around the world or even from your kitchen. And if you stay through the entire video, I'm going to give you an amazing bonus job that takes little to no experience and pays so well. So stay tuned, and if you like this video, give it a like or subscribe. Alrighty guys, now before we get started, we have a few things that we need to go over. First things first, some of these jobs do require some experience, but do not worry. If any of these jobs seem appealing to you, there are tons of free resources and information all out there in the internet or even in my Facebook group, Stay at Home Profit. Not only do we go over these type of jobs and the different resources out there, but you are surrounded by an amazing community with tons of knowledge to help you. Alrighty, and Google and YouTube have amazing information out there and it's free, but also websites like Fiverr and Upwork are some great platforms where you can go and actually apply to these jobs and find actual work with short-term projects and even long-term clients. So now that we gotten out of the way the experience that you may need and where to find these clients, let's get started on the actual jobs. Alright guys, now that you're sitting back and you're relaxing with all of these amazing stay-at-home profit jobs, the first one I'm going to go over today is e-commerce. This is a job not only that you can do from home, from a different country, to your kitchen counter. What's really great about this is you're pretty much setting up your own Shopify retail store. So basically what you do is that you find products like kitchen utensils or even your own merchandise products, and then you sell them for a higher price on your website. And the goal here is to find either cheap products and then price them higher so you can profit the difference. I've seen people buy things for $1 and then go on their website and sell them for $10 to $15 a piece. Like I said before, there are some overhead, but what's really amazing is the endless opportunity you have with this. Now, when you're first starting out, you can start off with just a couple hundred to a few $1,000s a month. But with the right product and the right price, you can get tens to $100,000s of dollars per month. If you think you have what it takes to be an amazing store owner and are just a beginner, check out the description below. I have an amazing resource just for you to really launch your business. So next up is becoming a video editor. Now this is a very in-demand job, and it's not because it's hard. It's because of how much time it truly takes. Now what's really great about that is it's high paying, which gives you endless opportunities to make money. Video editing is something very simple you can teach yourself and starts off at the beginner rate of $15 to $20 per hour. This can lead anywhere between $2,000 to $3,000 per month. The more client work you take on, the better you get because you're getting much faster. And with more advanced skills, that means for more high pay job opportunities for you. So you can make anywhere between $30 to $50 an hour as an advanced video editor and make up to $8,000 per month. The next job that I have for you is becoming a graphic designer. Now, this does take a few special skills, but don't worry. If you're at all the creative type, this is still a perfect job for you. Now, thinking about software, you can get software anywhere between Adobe Photoshop or even free software such as Canva. This is a very in-demand job because every business out there needs graphic designs. Anywhere from doing a YouTube thumbnail to a Facebook banner, social media post, and even flyers. This job is very flexible. Even if you only have a few hours on the weekend, you can go onto Fiverr and do YouTube thumbnails, or you can work for bigger businesses in their design department. Starting off rates for graphic designers are anywhere between $15 and $20 an hour. If you're more advanced, you can charge anywhere between $30 and $50 an hour, which can lead up to $8,000 a month. Now we're going to be moving back to the e-commerce side and talking about Amazon FBA, which if you don't know what that means, it's fulfilled by Amazon. This is just like having your own Shopify store, but instead you're shipping products to Amazon and Amazon takes care of all the heavy lifting. So warehouse, holding, shipping, handling, customer complaints, all of that crazy nitty gritty, they take care of it. Now there is some other things that do go into this that requires software or experience, like picking the right product and getting it to Amazon's front page. But what's so amazing is this job has a lot of potential. I have seen some amazing Amazon sellers sell $500,000 in just 1 month. Now, not per year, 1 month. Now, this isn't something that's gonna happen overnight. With a little patience though, this could be you. As you can imagine, making money from this can vary wildly, but in the beginning, you can still make from a couple hundred to a couple $1,000s per month. And with a little time, patience, and effort, the ceiling is sky high. If you are interested in learning more about this amazing opportunity, I have a great resource down below in the description. Check it out. Alrighty guys, on to job number 5. This is creating your own YouTube channel. What's so great about YouTube is that you can create whatever content you want and there is a community out there who wants to see it and be a part of it. Now, what goes into creating your own YouTube channel? Well, it's exactly what you kind of think. Getting in front of a camera, creating a video, editing it, and then uploading it. April, how do you make money on YouTube? Well, there are so many different ways. 2 of my favorite ways is YouTube ad revenue. The more subscribers, click-through rate, engagement, the more money YouTube is going to pay you to have ads throughout your video. I know some amazing YouTube creators out there who are making thousands upon thousands of dollars with YouTube ad revenue. My other favorite way is having sponsorships or brand deals with small companies or even larger companies on your YouTube channel. These companies will pay you anywhere between hundreds to hundreds of thousands of dollars for you to create a video of their specific content. This job is very open-ended and can fit anyone's needs or interests, which makes it such an amazing opportunity and might be just the right fit for you. Alright guys, now we're going to talk about this bonus job. So thank you so much for sticking with me and getting to the end of the video. This is one of my personal favorites, becoming a virtual assistant. What's amazing about becoming a virtual assistant, it takes no investment at all. And you can do it any location that you want, whether you are in another country, on the beach, in your kitchen, or on your phone at the park with your kids. What's so great about becoming a virtual assistant is that there are endless opportunities with what you can do task-wise, from anywhere from social media management to calendar management, general tasks, and even just getting on the phone and making personal appointments for clients. This takes not a lot of skills and you can grow continuously through this career. My favorite part, besides the little to no investment, besides the endless tasks that you have and the location independence that you truly have, is that this could be the stepping stone to a full-blown career inside the industry that you want to be a part of. For me personally, I started off as a virtual assistant living in Japan, making calls to my client's veterinarian, and now after 2 years running a full-blown 6-figure agency, all from the comfort of my own home. This has allowed me as a military spouse living in another country, not only bring in a stable income, but watch my kids grow up. What's so fantastic about becoming a virtual assistant is that I got to stay in the career, and no matter where I was location-wise, I would still be able to find work. Now, if you're at all interested in this position, go to the description below and download my free virtual assistant roadmap, or head over to my amazing Facebook group, Stay at Home Profit, to learn more and get some free resources. All right, everyone, we're at the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed all of those amazing jobs I listed, especially the virtual assistant. If you could only imagine your life traveling the world, creating a stable income, all from the comfort of your own home, in the kitchen, at the park, on the beach, and really making that stay-at-home profit, give me a like or subscribe, and I cannot wait to see you guys next time.